Enemies.
Guys, welcome back, and today's topic is this Ford Bronco. It's brand new from Axial, 1/24 scale, electric, full drive, ready to run RC. And I've already unboxed it. Took it out to the our little mini track that's out front there, and she did pretty well, as you can see by some of the footage going on here. Four-wheel drive system works pretty good. It does have some issues when it comes to the front raising up when you're trying to get over obstacles. I did have some problems with that. It was just want to flip over easily, and I was asking around on some forums, and I got some suggestions that I should take these guys off up top here, take off the rear spare tire, and do some upgrades as far as the axles is concerned. And then maybe that should help me, keep her on the ground versus having to always flip her back on her four wheels and try to get the obstacle completed. But other than that, it's it's fun. I highly recommend you get this. The link for where I picked up this Bronco will be down in the description below. And I get no kickbacks from this, so please don't think that you just click on a link and yeah. I wish I could get some kickbacks from it, but that's just the way it is. I'm not sponsoring anybody, but hey, Axel, if you want to sponsor No Pros RC, by all means, hit me up. Anyway, what do you get in the box? Well, you get this instruction booklet right here. You get this nice 4-channel 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, and it doesn't come labeled. I did that myself just to keep up with things, because when you have more than one RC, you have to start labeling them, because all the transmitters start to look alike. It has this carbon-like feature on here on the controller, which is a very nice touch. You get some stickers, Axle stickers, some tools, Allen key, things of that nature. And obviously you get the car. Now the thing what I like about this one is you get the spare wheel in the back. Same rim, you get the same tire that's located on all four of this Bronco, which is a really nice feature, which I wish the Jeep had that feature, but it doesn't. As far as traction goes for these tires here, they do pretty good for right out of the box, but if you get something that's a real challenge, you get that stuttering feature where she's just trying to grip with all four wheels, and I'm just not sure these stock tires are going to get it. So with that being said, I've decided to purchase some new wheels and tires right here. These are also, well, they're not needles, but they're Super Swamper, and they're made by Rocks Tires. Never heard of them, but if you look at the tread pattern on these guys, yeah, they look like they can climb something. So we're going to give these a shot, but these are not going on the Jeep. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, these are not going on the Bronco. They're not going on the Bronco. They're going on the Jeep. Yeah, because I had the Jeep first, so, you know. Eventually, I will probably upgrade these tires. But for right now, before I buy a set for this Bronco, I'm going to put these on the Jeep, and then we're going to see how they do. And if they do well, then we'll get a set for the Bronco. So, with that being said, we got some screws and stuff here that, you know, you put down on the wheels. And let me show you guys the wheels real quick.
A few moments later.
Right there. Yeah. Those are the new wheels. And these are the new tires that is going to be going on the Jeep. And like I said, if they do okay, they provide me with more grip and traction for the obstacle course that we have out front, then I'll upgrade that for the Bronco. And yeah, I would have to buy another set of these. I don't think you can buy the wheels one at a time, but if you can, great, because I would love to put one on the back of here too. That would make it look even sicker. So yeah, but out of the box, she's ready to go, and you can just have a blast with this. It's really fun, and it's also real fun when you have more than one vehicle going on an obstacle course at the same time. That's what makes it, you know, more fun to see which design and things of that nature, as far as does the Jeep go over the rocks better. If they both have the same wheels and tires, you know what I'm saying? Both have the same wheels and tires. It's just, you know, which one gets over it better. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, I am No Pros RC, and around here we are a family fun RC channel, and we just rock with anything that's radio control related. That's drones, planes, obviously cars and trucks, nitro, electric. It just doesn't matter. We experiment with them all, and we have a blast with them. So I do recommend you pick this guy up, and just, you know, if you already have it, leave a comment below on how you like it, and I would love to hear your thoughts on upgrades. Drop me some links in the comment below on where to purchase them, and, you know, send me some video footage of how it helps with the rock crawling game. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for the video for the wheel and tire install on the Jeep, and then stay tuned for how it fares. Are these tires worth it? Are these wheels worth it? I'm sure it's worth it as far as looks, but will it actually help me get over rocks? All right, so that's going to be it for this week's episode. Leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. We really want our little community to grow. We are so close to what is it? I think we're close to 500. No, we're close to 400. We're close to 400 subscribers on the tube. We surpassed 500 on the gram. Thank you so much. So if you want to get the inside scoop, hit us up on the gram at no.pros.rc for the inside scoop, because the folks on the gram knew about this Bronco before you guys did. Y'all be easy. Peace.